Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allocate percentage to index funds on Fidelity. So basically what you need to do is on whatever account you have, whether it's a retirement savings account, investment account, whatever you're enrolling into, do a standard enrollment where you can actually choose your investment options before you enroll. So you begin that process, you choose your contribution type, right, the percentage per pay period, and I'll move right now to a account where you can choose your own investments. Okay, so select that one and you can choose right here. Let's say large cap ones. We have the Fidelity Index, we have Vanguard, right? We have different index funds that you can go ahead and use. Right here, you choose your desired percentage. Just make sure that it actually adds up to 100%. So that is how you go ahead and allocate the percentage. And after you have done this, they'll basically go ahead and show you how much of percentage of your total portfolio each stock will have, right? According to the fund you have chosen. And that's just a summary, for example, of the Fidelity 500 index fund. And then they'll show you the potential returns you could have. They're legally obligated to give you these. So make sure you have selected percentage. Let's say you only want 100% on Fidelity 500 index. Just choose that right there. And once you're done with everything, they'll show you the prospect. They're actually legally obligated to show you that. And once you're done looking at the prospectus, you hit continue, review, right there, your percentages. As you can see our investment. There you go, and submit it. Okay, really that easy. If you found it helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.